Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Today I bring you the Japan exclusive chrome blue Nissan Silvia S15 D-MAX from the 2023 D1 Grand Prix. Yes, you heard it right. So this is a Japan exclusive. I was quite lucky to get my hands on this one. Before we begin today, looking at the packaging and all and the car, I have a request to make. Please subscribe to my channel, so that motivates me to bring you more such videos to you guys. Okay, with that out of the way, let's begin. This is my first blister pack. Usually I like to save some money by buying the box versions, but yeah, in this case I didn't have any option other than to get this blister pack. So let's see. So we have the snapshot of the car, and I'm pretty sure this is the actual picture of the car and not something AI generated or anything like that. So below we have this beautiful chrome blue Nissan Silvia and the box. Let's take a look around the back. Okay, we have some details about how many GT makes the models, and yes, as you can see, this is an official licensed product from Nissan. And guys, this is the Mini GT 855 if you guys are wondering. Let's unbox this. It's raining outside, guys, so you may hear the rain. Oh, apologies if that reduces the quality of the video. Okay, so here's the box if you want to take a quick look. Okay, we have the Mini GT logo, and okay, so this has the branding of the D1 Grand Prix. Okay, let's go to the car. Look at this model. Like, this is so gorgeous. I know I probably say this with all of my cars, but this one is really unique. Like, the chrome finish itself really stands out, and this has the tendency of like shifting the colors. Okay, so based on the light you have kept the car in, so sometimes it will look, let's say, light blue, sometimes it will deep blue. So there is a color shift thing that is going on. Let's quickly check the wheels. Yes, the wheels roll really nicely. Let me zoom in. Okay, so we have the various brand logos, so I definitely identify a few of those. I'm pretty sure you do it as well, but yeah, I don't know all of them. So here we have the D-MAX logo, the huge one. So it has a lot of decals, I will say. Looks really nice. Okay, let's check out the front. Before I explain the front of the car, just want to let you guys know that there is actually an Easter egg for this. Okay, so stay back till the end of the video and I will tell you what it is all about. Okay, coming back, so here we have the front details. Looks really nice. The carbon details, right, that we have looks really beautiful. So we have again the D-MAX logo here, we have the vent details here, looks nice in the front. Okay, the acrylic inserts again look nice. They are not foggy, so in the camera it may seem foggy, but yeah, to my eyes I can clearly say they are not foggy. Looks nice. That's the front. Okay, let's go to the top of the car. This is the roof of the car, and yes, this has carbon fiber details. Looks really nice, but I guess you guys can already see, right? So there is a small QC issue. The printing is not done in an uniform way. I will try to rub it off, but most probably it is permanent. It won't go away. Fine, minor issue, can't do much. Let's check out the back of the car. The backlights are done beautifully, I must say. Like, they really stand out. Let me zoom in. So if you see, right, the backlights stand out really well, and we again have the D-MAX branding here. Okay, looks really nice. We have the rear exhaust, okay, and the rear diffuser here as well. Okay, looks really nice. Let's check out the bottom of the car. The base of the car is really detailed, guys. Like, we have, yeah, quite a few details for this model. Like, Mini GT has really put some love into this. And yeah, this is the exhaust that we saw earlier. Looks really nice. Let's do a quick overview of the entire car once more. The mirrors are made of rubber, no reflective stickers on them, as you can see. And also we have some really nice front diffuser details, so that is here, so looks really nice. The tires don't have any branding, but it is actually true, the real car also did not have any tire branding, so that's fine. And on the front, guys, which I missed showing when I was doing it earlier, so the wiper details are there, so you can see, right, the wiper details are there. Looks really nice. Overall, a very beautiful car indeed. The color itself makes it a must have, and I don't know if you have observed it or not, like there is a, like, what to say, let me hold it in this way. Yeah, now I can showcase it to you. The red border running through the base of the car looks really nice, really stands out. A very beautiful color, I must say. I will definitely suggest you guys to have it in your collection if you want to add some chrome flair. Let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, rolls really nicely. And okay, now let me come back to the Easter egg which I told you about in the beginning of the video. The Easter egg is this QR code. Okay, so usually in blister packs or in box versions you will not find this. I will suggest you guys to scan this QR code. It will redirect you to a YouTube video. I will not spoil it, like what it is all about, so yeah, explore. And if you guys can't scan it or whatever, if you are facing any issues or something like that, let me know. I will drop the video link in the comment. So that is an unlisted video, so unless you have the link you can't watch it. Okay, guys, that's all from this video. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe. See you guys on the next one.